In today's video, I'm just going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting with guests. By the end, you'll be confident inviting people outside your organization and sending a clean, professional invite that's easy to join. First, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in your web browser and sign in. Give it a moment to load your workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Meet area. This is where you can start instant calls or set up something for later. Click it to open your meeting options and calendar view. Next, choose Schedule a Meeting. This opens the meeting form where you'll fill in all the key information. Think of this page as your meeting blueprint. Title, attendees, date and time, and the details guests will see in their email invite. Start with a clear title. Make it specific so guests know what to expect at a glance. For example, use action-oriented wording like Project Kickoff, Design, and Timeline rather than something generic. Specific titles reduce back and forth and make your invite easier to find later. Now add guest email addresses in the attendees field. Type the full email for each guest and select them as they appear. External contacts will be marked accordingly, and they don't need a Teams account to join. They can use a web browser. If you have internal teammates, you can add them too, and set some people as optional if their presence is not mandatory. Double check spelling. A mistyped address won't receive the invite. Choose the date and time that works best. Confirm the time zone shown at the top of the form so you're not scheduling at the wrong hour. If your organization's calendars are visible, the scheduling assistant can help you find a slot that avoids conflicts, though availability details for guests may be limited. If this is a repeating session, select a recurrence that matches your cadence rather than creating separate invites. Add your meeting details in the description box. A short agenda, goals for the session, any prep work, and links to relevant documents go a long way. If needed, attach files so everything is in one place. You can also review meeting options from here, like who can bypass the lobby or present, to ensure guests have the right level of access. When everything looks good, click Save or Send. Teams will email calendar invites with a join link to all attendees. After sending, you can reopen the event anytime to update details or copy the meeting link to share elsewhere. That's it. You've scheduled a Microsoft Teams meeting with guests, clearly and professionally.